Avalanche marketing tip, Avalanche marketing tip, and Avalanche marketing tip. Last video, personal net worth definition. This video, business size standard. Business size standard, business size standard. A firm, including affiliates, must be a small business as defined by the Small Business Administration, SBA. It must not have annual gross receipts over $22,410,000 in the previous 3 fiscal years, or $52,470 for airport concessions in general, with some exceptions. Depending on the type of work the business performs, other size standards may apply. In our next video, we will define ownership. However, you can check out the San Joaquin Valley Regional Public Contracting Expo and Conference, January 2013. Find out what your businesses can do to qualify, be part of all this stuff. More information, www.SanJoaquinValleyContractingExpo.com, SanJoaquinValleyContractingExpo.com. Go there. Check out what we got. This is Rico with your Avalanche Marketing Tip.